The name cyanobacteria refers to blue-green algae. The most thoroughly studied of the known bacteria-plant interaction is the nodulation of Sebaceous stems by nitrogen-fixing bacteria, plant growth stimulation by phosphate solubilizing bacteria, cyanobacterial symbiosis with some aquatic ferns, gall formation on certain angiosperm by agrobacterium. The correct option is D. Gall formation on certain angiosperm by agrobacterium. Few organisms are known to grow and multiply at temperatures at 100 to 105 degrees Celsius. They belong to Haemophilic subcereal fungi, marine archaebacteria, thermophilic sulfobacteria, hot spring blue algae. Correct option is D. Hot spring blue algae. The nitrogen fixing bacteria in leguminous plant nodules line as symbionts. Reason: leg hemoglobin synthesized by leguminous plants protect bacteria. Both the assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is correct for the assertion given above. As ribosome form a symbiotic association with roots of leguminous plants producing root nodules, this bacteria resides inside the nodules and reduce atmospheric nitrogen N2 to ammonia. The fixed nitrogen is taken up by plant. In return, the plant provides nutrients and protection to the bacteria. Root nodules in leguminous plants are inhabited by Anabina. Reason: assertion. Root nodules in leguminous plants are inhabited by Anabina. Reason: leguminous plants are an example of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The reason is correct for the assertion given above, because Anabina found symbiotically in the root nodules of many leguminous plants helps in N2 fixation, which is nitrogen fixation. Amoeba taken downstream to estuary will show options: disappearance of contractile vacuole, binary fission, encystment, stoppage of feeding. When amoeba taken downstream to estuary, it will show disappearance of contractile vacuole, because in isotonic solution or marine water, endosmosis does not occur. So the correct option is A. Disappearance of contractile vacuole. Chromatid body occurs in antamoeba during persistage, early cyst, tetranucleate cyst, trophozoites. Correct option is early cyst. Initial stage or cyst formation consists of two or more transparent rod-like structure are present in the cytoplasm called chromatid bodies. These chromatid bodies are made up of ribonucleoprotein. A person suffering from a disease caused by Plasmodium experiences recurring chill and fever at the time when, due to the trophozoite reach maximum growth and give out certain toxins. In Plasmodium, gametocytes are formed, develop fully in the RBC because of higher temperature of the blood. Destruction of nucleus in amoeba results in immediate death, showing down of metabolic activity and ultimate death, quick locomotion, no change. Correct option is B. Showing down of metabolic activity and climate death. Slime moles show alternation of generation. Reason: sporangia bearing smile moles represent haplophase. The assertion is true, but the reason is false, because slime moles exhibit alteration of generation. The diploid Plasmodium is a sporocyte. Under certain condition, it bears sporangia. The sporangia bearing plasmodium and spore producing sporangia constitute the sporophyte generation. It is diplophase reduction division takes place at the time of differentiation of resting spore. The resting spores germinate to produce the haploid uninucleate swarm cells or mycamoeba. The latter meet and fuse in pairs to form a zygote. The haploid resting spores and the swarm cells of mycamoeba represent the haploid or gametophyte generation. Mycorrhiza is long thin root, association of root and fungus, root-like underground stem, parasitic root. The correct option is C, root-like underground stem. Which of the following is not matched correctly? Anabaena cyanobacteria, correct. Amoeba protozoa, correct. Gonacular dinoflagellates, correct. Thermoacidophils, archaebacteria. Albigosylphocytes, correct. Wrong. So the correct option is E. This is not correctly matched. Which of the following group of fungi is sometimes known as fungal waste basket? Phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, deuteriomycetes. Correct option is D, deuteriomycetes. They are known as fungal waste baskets because it's a lack of perfect sexual stage. Which one single organisms or the pair of organisms is correctly assigned to it or their named taxonomic group? Paramecium and Plasmodium belong to the same kingdom as that of Penicillium. Wrong. Lichen is composite organism formed from the symbiotic association of algae and protozoa. Wrong. Yeast used in making bread and beer is fungus. Correct. Nostoc and Anabaena are examples of protists. Wrong. So the correct option is C. Aflatoxins are produced by Aspergillus flavus. Reason: these toxins are useful to mankind. The reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Aflatoxins are produced by Aspergillus flavus. Contaminated food is the main source of infection. This toxin causes aflatoxins, which may lead to hemorrhage and disease of liver. Which one of the following is commonly called as maiden hair fern? Pteridiums, Adiantum, Dipteris and Tens. Adiantum, maiden hair fern because of shining, smooth and blackish hair-like petioles. So the correct option is B, Adiantum. Two types of cell hyaline, green or with various shades, are characteristics of bryophytes in Funera hygrometrium, Polytechnium commune, Sphagum population, Porella plataphylla. So the correct option is Sphagum papiliosum. Match the following with correct combination. Ontheriasis walking fern, Adiantum algae, Sargassum interneum, Acetylus gametophyte. So the correct option is C, Sargassum interse. Monkey's puzzle is a common name of Arosea embaratica, Cycas revolute, Penis langofia, Gitnim genon. The correct option is A. Arosea imbricata. Trabeculæ and Silanegala stem represent modified pericycle cells, modified endodermal cells, modified inner cortical cells, modified phloem cells. Correct option is B. Modified endodermal cells. In angiosperms, sporophylls are organized into flowers. Both microsporophylls and megasporophylls are specialized. A microsporophyll or stamen consists of filament and an anther. A megasporophyll or carpel is rolled and partly filled to stigma stylum containing cells. So it is a modified endodermal cell. Chlorella could serve as a potential source of food and energy. Reason: when dried chlorella has 15% protein, 45% fat and carbohydrate, 20% fiber and 10% minerals and vitamins. The reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, because many believe that chlorella could serve as a potential source of food and energy because its photosynthetic efficiency can theoretically reach 8%, comparable with other highly efficient crop nutrients. When dried, it has about 45% proteins, 20% fat, 20% carbohydrate, 5% fiber and 10% minerals and vitamins. Match the following. List 1. Greenlands, amphids and plasmids, Ctenidia, Bisynclura, Concolin. List 2. Scleropendra, respiratory organ, shell protein, excretory organ, sense organs. The correct is A. Greenlands is a respiratory organ. Amphids and plasmids is excretory organs. Ctenidia is sense organ. Bisynclura is a shell protein and Concolin is Scleropendra. So the correct option is C, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 3rd and 1st. In Hydra, egestion of undigested food and excretion of nitrogenous waste occur through options: mouth and tentacles, mouth and body wall, mouth and mouth, body wall and body wall. So here the correct option is mouth and body wall. In Hydra, the undigested residues are egested from the coelenteron through the mouth and body wall. So the correct option is B. A student has identified a triploblastic coelomate segmented animal as an arthropod. Which additional character the student should have verified before identifying that animal as an arthropod? Options: presence of wing, presence of antenna, type of coelom, type of symmetry. The correct option is presence of antenna. Which is a living fossil? Options: coelacanth, lemurs, sphendon, all of these. The correct option is D, all of these. They are representative of its own kind, hence called as living fossil. The group Aminota includes options: bird and reptiles, birds and mammals, reptiles and mammals, reptile, birds and mammals. The characteristic feature of Aminota is the development of amnion and other fetal membranes. Amnion and other fetal membranes are developed in reptiles, birds, and mammals. So the correct option is D, reptile, birds, and mammals. Which type of coelom is found in frog? Enterocoel, caesocoel, pseudocoel, hemocoel. The correct option is A, enterocoel. Enterocoelic coelom is found in echinoderm, which is in chordate. So frog is a chordate. So the correct option is A. Sea cows are aquatic mammals included under options Lagomorpha, Pinnipedia, Cetaceae, Sirenia. The correct option is D, Sirenia. Sea cows belong to order Sirenia of mammals. Presence of bulba and few hairs are characteristics of the order Sirenia. In which of the following subclasses of reptiles the skull has a solid roof? Options: Anapsida, Diapsida, Synapsida, Parapsida. Correct option is A, Anapsida. It has a solid roof due to the absence of any temporal vacuities, that is vacant space on the skull.